Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear students, today we are going to see chapter number 12, that is stock exchange. In this chapter, we are going to see meaning and functions of stock exchange, major stock exchanges in India, and then SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India, and its functions. Coming to the meaning of stock exchange. See, every time when we study about shares or when we try to learn anything about shares, these words are familiar with you. You have always heard stock exchange, shares are traded in stock exchange. So what is stock exchange? See, stock exchange is a specific place. It's a place where various types of securities are purchased and sold. That means it's a place where buying and selling of securities takes place. When I say securities, equity shares, preference shares, debentures, government securities and bonds are included in that. Right? When we say securities, all the securities are included. Shares, debentures, bonds, etc. So yes, stock exchange is nothing but a place where all the securities are purchased or sold. Now see, stock market acts as an intermediary between investors and borrowers. It acts as a middleman, intermediary between investors and borrowers. The one who wants to borrow money, that is company, and investors, we general people, when we go and when we invest in securities. So yes, stock market, that place is nothing but an intermediary between investors and borrowers. Now see, stock exchanges in India are regulated by SEBI, that is the whole control, regulation, the control is in the hands of SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India. Now there are two stock exchanges given. See, London Stock Exchange, founded in 1571, was the oldest stock exchange in the world. But yes, Bombay Stock Exchange was founded in 1875 and this is one of the oldest stock exchanges in India. London Stock Exchange was the oldest stock exchange in the world. But yes, Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in India. Coming to the definitions of stock exchange, see, Husband and Dockery has defined stock exchange as stock exchanges are privately organized market. Okay, to organize means to arrange properly. Okay, stock exchanges are privately organized market which are used to facilitate trading in securities, which are used to help out, to bring it easier for trading in securities. It facilitates, it provides different facilities in trading securities. So yes, stock exchanges are privately organized market which are used to facilitate trading in securities. Now see, there are few important features of stock exchange. First of all, the very first one is market for securities, right? We have seen in the starting, in the meaning itself, it's a place, it's a market. So market for what? Market for securities. So yes, stock exchanges is a place where all type of corporate securities, I can say company securities, are traded. Okay, so market for securities. Then you have got second feature as second hand securities. That means those securities which are already issued by company can again be sold here at this place. See, securities traded in stock exchange are those securities which are already issued by the company, or in other words I can say second hand securities are bought and sold in stock exchange or this market. Then comes listed securities. See, listed companies we have seen in 11th standard. So here, listed securities, that means those securities which are registered with the stock exchange. See, only securities that are listed with the stock exchanges can be traded on stock exchange. So now listing means to register company's security with the stock exchange. Then the fourth one you have got as organized and regulated market. Organized, arranged properly, regulated, and then controlled. Regulated means controlled. So yes, all listed companies have to comply, has to follow with the guidelines of SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, regulates or rules over stock